back with another video, and in this one, we're here with Oliver again.
I'm gonna try to start vlogging again.
Gostplayz 99. And today, we were just in this barn. We have this barn, you guys. I don't know if you guys knew about this barn. So basically, guys, we're me and Oliver, Gostplayz 99, and Mom were looking at this barn a lot, and we thought we need to get this place organized, like big time. We need to get like this place organized, like literally.
Steven's Uncle Elmer has a barn like this, and he's got it real nice, and they have parties and stuff in the barn.
We need parties in here, honestly.
Remember this in your toy room?
I don't remember that.
No, that wasn't his, honey.
Oh, I thought it was.
Where the heck is there like that in here? Like,
yeah, exactly. Like
some kid came trick-or-treating in here, and he was never seen again.
oh gosh. Oh no. Remember that time that we were being pranked because Uncle Mike had that mask on a long time ago?
yeah, he was just like a glowing dog mask.
Was some kid in here at the time and left this behind? Oh gosh.
Like look at this. Look at this, guys. It's like it looks like bullets, but it's actually a whole thing of
Nails.
screws and
What
nails.
I could do with these rocks?
What rocks?
These bags are,
Dude.
these are like landscaping rocks.
Dude, guys, we even have a pickaxe in here. Guys, we even have a pickaxe. Like, what the?
Guys, I saw this. This caught my eye. Like, what in the world is this shovel for? It's like I don't know.
It's a
like
baby.
It's like
It was probably the trick-or-treaters. The kids.
You know, I want to know why the heck there's a pickaxe in here. That's my main question.
Yeah.
Someone was playing Minecraft.
Oh my gosh. For real.
Come on.
Guys, this is a heavy pickaxe.
It's like water in your room. Like,
Mom, is this like,
you can just push it out.
is this like iron pickaxe?
Metal.
Like
Guys, look at
But I don't want you putting it over your head in case the metal part slides off or
Like
something.
right
It's old.
there, sitting there. Yeah, look, I figured it out. Look, see those brakes and stuff right there? Those should be right there.
Mm-hmm.
no, I'm just,
Like, guys, I'm so confused right
Here,
now.
get over here. You're going to cut yourself on
Mom,
the
Oh, yeah.
do you not know why that pickaxe is here? For real?
No, baby. I really don't.
Does Dad know?
I don't know.
Okay, guys. So let's kind of take a little tour in this barn for the vlog.
Oh, remember this area that had hay in it? And we
Oh, we,
You're going, what? I don't want you guys around. Come on.
around this metal.
no. We wanna take a tour in here really quick.
Okay, and then go look in the two garages that are getting torn down.
Oh, yeah, two garages.
Yes.
Oh,
That's where
the
your
big one?
four-wheeler is.
Oh,
That's getting torn
that
down.
one, yeah, because the roof slid over, remember?
We're going to clean this up, and the four-wheelers can come in here.
they can put it like over there.
Yeah.
That's
Guys.
actually pretty good.
Guys, literally, this used to be like a horse pen.
Yeah, there used to be horses in here.
Guys, a long time ago, before I was born, before he was born, I guess there was horses in here.
Yeah.
Like, look at this.
back there, guys. Look.
Look, sit down.
Oh,
This is like for.
where the heck did you find that?
In there.
Oh, it's comfy.
Okay, so guys,
Let's see
basically,
it. Try it out.
It's like a.
It's for fishing and stuff.
Oh, I love fishing, so I might take that.
And it's got a cooler on the back. Look. It's
Wait,
got a
put your
cooler.
drinks back there too.
okay, you just use any chair for fishing, honestly.
Yeah, but
I mean, yeah,
that's
but
like
this one's like mainly for fishing. I mean, guys, look at this stuff.
Guys, like, literally, we have 6 buildings. 2 of them are going down.
Yeah, because the one over there and the one right next to it is getting torn down.
Yeah, you guys remember that garage over there? That garage that we used to do?
And this is how Dad takes care of his tools.
Like, bro,
Yeah, my dad literally does that.
organize them. Exactly. But like in this room over here, my nana says she's gonna steal it from my papo, basically.
I'm going to clean it out.
Yep. Basically my papo. And look at this.
This is supposed to be my dad's.
This is supposed to be.
This is
supposed to be his dad's, but
this is said to be my dad's tool room.
yeah.
Like, literally, let's get in here, man. Let's go. Dude. His tool room. Like, literally, what? Like, close this door. Oh, my gosh.
Well, I gotta delete something.
Guys, this is just such a mess. I've never, like, literally filmed in this barn. Like, I think I've filmed in this barn before, but I've never filmed, like in this and stuff. I don't think. I did a paranormal activity video in this barn, I remember, and I heard a growl in here. Guys, like, literally, this barn needs organized. Let's take the rest of the tour in here.
This is where the horse kept his head.
But yeah, pretty much.
Literally, I did not even know that. I did not even know that. Like, actually. Okay, Oliver, you want to show them this part?
Oh yeah, this part. Guys, these two parts.
Guys, we have so many rooms in this barn.
You just throw stuff up there. Both my papa was here. Throw stuff just up there. It's weird.
Where's the light switch at?
Like, look at this, guys. It's a random
My mom, which one's the light switch? There's two of them.
I can't make a vlog.
Guys,
My phone's acting on here.
I'm trying to... You guys see that? That looks funny. Probably a little bit funny. So yeah, guys, like literally...
I might have to release some stuff.
I'm gonna turn the brightness down, like right here. Guys, like literally, look at this. He's got so much junk. Like, what the heck's that thing?
It's a giant leaf blower.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, hold on. Let's go over there. Guys, look. You see that? It's like a Is that a giant leaf blower, guys? Holy crap. Guys,
I gotta delete some stuff, guys.
this is our barn, and
Don't be surprised to see mice.
yeah. There's mice. There's spiders. There's snakes in here. It's crazy.
That just leads over to
Right here leads over to this room one way, and then we got another light switch for that. And then let's go into that room. Basically, I don't know why the heck there's an entrance to get right from there. I have no idea. But look, they have like these quality.
Screenshots I found on Minecraft. Like, this is what I found.
They
And
built
plus
that
that-
probably. They built that probably.
I didn't build it. I just
No,
I
some
logged
people
into
did.
I logged into a world.
You did not find all that.
Yes, I did.
That's impossible.
That's not
Okay.
I used an add-on.
Kind of is. Oh, well, that's different. But still, guys, all right, so look at this, guys. We have this. We have the, I think this is used for, what's it called? What's it called?
Sorry, guys, my phone was
Cement.
This is for cement, basically. And pretty much, we were talking about just how random this stuff is.
Guys, like, literally,
Stuff.
Okay, boys, turn the lights out.
hold on. What?
There's barbed wire over there, too.
Well, the barbed wire is probably for the fences that we had.
That's true.
Okay, let's turn off the lights off.
I'll turn off this one.
Let's get out of here. Guys,
Did you turn both of those switches off?
Yeah, I did.
so yeah, basically, guys, this barn's not getting tore down. It's not this. It's basically,
This is a nice barn.
Yeah, we
It
can have
is.
a party in here. Oh my god, I cannot make it vlog.
what the heck's going on?
I don't know, my phone's acting up.
No, not you, but this.
Man, look at this. This is nice.
I know.
I mean, it's nice enough for a barn.
It's a very nice barn.
Oh yeah, let me show you. Let me show you guys the other part. I'm going to the back to show them that. Yeah, we're not going in it. You see this? This is the back of the barn, which has all this junk too. Lots more junk. I mean, probably what the junk is, but got all this wood piled up like this, like, man. Got this oil. You got so many random stuff in here. You got bird nest in here, honestly. You guys like don't see that bird nest? There's one right there, I think. Yeah, bird nests. It's crazy. That's the barn. That's our barn. Not organized at all whatsoever. And if we ever organize it, oh, I'm vlogging that. Once we organize it, because, dude, you need it. Can't have this barn going crazy. I mean, honestly, the barn being nice as it is, it's just, you know, I don't know where Mom and Oliver went, Gostplayz 99, but I'm going to show you guys the buildings we're actually tearing down. Because, like I said before, we're tearing down a couple things. Guys, it's very, very unfortunate. You guys remember this garage? We did our paranormal activity videos in this at first. If you guys are OG, you guys know our first video, like our first paranormal activity video is in here. Is there a Ghost series video? Was in here. Unfortunately, though, this garage is being taken down, and we're tearing it down, guys. Unfortunately. Yeah? Dude.
We just spun
gosh.
But they actually just something in the tarp.
Wait, what? Show me.
It's in the trash can now.
Wait, what? What?
Yeah, I know. Look,
Where? What trash can?
it's in the dumpster, but like it's not really that wide. We don't know. It's probably a big roll of tarp because all it was.
Oh, it's a big roll of tarp
Yeah.
in there.
If you really go in
So
there-
guys, this garage is being torn down.
This is being torn down for sure. Let's go explore this.
And this is what's being prepared to be torn down.
Let's explore this first.
We're preparing to tear the shed down now.
Pretty much this is what's in it so far. Oh, you put it out here.
This is what we're tearing down too. We're tearing this down. I'll vlog it probably when we tear this down.
This is the only stuff I want out of this shed. Rest of it, this and your wagon from when you were little.
What about these?
I don't know about those. And
Hey, I want this.
my gas cans.
Mm-hmm.
Other than that, I don't care what happens to anything else.
I want these
No.
boxing bags. Come on.
We've had those up.
Look at these, Steven.
Those are for marshmallows and stuff.
I want to keep
and
those.
I gotta keep this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that was when I was little. Wait, you keeping this right here? The marshmallow things?
Yeah. I'm keeping this dresser because I gotta redo it maybe this winter. And then this I want.
You have definitely.
And then this is just my little bucket of stuff that I need to keep. I'm gonna keep those chains. But the rest of this,
We can look around, like see what we
no,
want.
don't move stuff because there might be mice or something. And I want to keep Steven's wagon.
That we made rock pets. Remember that?
Wait, what?
We made rock pets and we put them in there. Remember that?
Oh.
Yeah.
We used to do that shopping thing. Like,
Yeah.
Bobby, remember this came off your four-wheeler?
what did?
Oh, it's grill.
The grill.
That's the grill. I think you said four-wheeler.
Your four-wheeler. It's the grill. Like,
And that's called the grill that guard the.
Oh, it looked like an actual grill thing.
No.
Really?
All right, let's go explore the big one now. It's gonna get torn down.
oh, and I'm gonna keep this.
Ah, man. Trash can?
All right, let's go in here. I want to open this up. See what's in there.
Dude, we can open this up if you want.
Good. Can we hold the camera so you can do it? All right. He's gonna be opening this. Try this side over here. All right. There's the button.
If it doesn't open, I don't know.
He's pushing hard.
No, don't.
It's locked.
Yeah, don't get in there.
It's locked. I was trying to show them it. Oh, okay. Well,
Like snakes and stuff.
I don't know. But anyway, guys, this is also getting torn down. If you guys remember our paranormal activity videos.
But we're not gonna do it anymore because nothing really been happening.
We're not do. I don't know. I told you guys. I don't
You
know.
guys have your jet ski still?
Yeah. Yeah, guys, we're done with the paranormal
Look at
activity
this.
videos.
Cause look at that. Look at that. The storm rolled that in. The
You guys,
storm.
yeah, the storm rolled in the roof a long time ago. A 60-mile-per-hour wind. We were having like 60 mile per hour. Oh my gosh, we were having 60-mile-per-hour winds. It broke my trampoline, and it also did this.
Look at this giant thorn bush. It's a giant thorn bush.
Holy smokes,
Come here, bro. Look at the thorns on this thing.
dude! Dude, there's like plants growing in here.
I know. Look at this thorn bush, though.
Okay, I did not know there was plants growing in
Look
here.
at that thorn.
Oh,
That's scary.
dude, I did not. Mom, did you know there's plants growing in here?
Yes.
There's a giant thorn bush, too. Dude.
Yeah, stay away from the bushes and stuff.
There's a suitcase.
Does it have any?
Thorn bush.
Yeah, I know.
Look how giant it is, and look at this. No, come here and look at this. It's like pumpkins are growing in here or something.
Pumpkins.
Look, there's a suitcase right here.
No, that's a paint gun that Grandpa had to have, and that's how he took care of it.
Can you, wait, which grandpa?
It's your dad.
Oh, can we open it and see?
Wait, is it in there?
I don't know.
Guys, like this video. We're gonna
I
open
did
it.
open it.
Please open it. Show us.
Let's see. Oh my gosh.
See, he just had to have it, and that's what he did to it.
It's all rusted.
Yep, it's no good.
Guys, but there's thorn bushes. Okay, there's plants growing in here.
Yeah, stay over here.
Why is there plants growing in here?
Because, honey,
The sun?
blew off. Yeah.
Guys, okay.
And there's a wasp nest. I hear it. See them up. There's some bumblebees up there. There used to be.
I see the
birds.
nest.
Where?
Yeah, we need to stay out of
I
here.
see the nest.
Where?
Right there. You don't see that little nest?
Where I hang kids.
Yeah.
We hang kids from here.
Oh, don't give us memories about those change from the Paranormal Activity videos now.
Yeah, that was creepy. It just popped out of nowhere.
And you know what? I think all this stuff in here is trash.
Except for jet ski and our 4-wheelers and Steven's dirt bike.
Guys, no joke. Guys, no joke. We didn't even plant these plants. They just grew in here.
Exactly.
Dude,
One day we should
dude.
plant this before you-
No. Look. Look. It's growing flowers. We're growing flowers in here, guys. Apparently.
I've never seen a thistleweed.
Yeah, look at this giant thorn.
I
There's
never-
all thorns on it.
I never seen any plants in here. This is the first time I've seen any plants. Oliver, don't do that.
Why? It's gonna break it.
I never knew there was any plants in here until I just now came in.
Yeah, I broke it. It's all the way down.
I never knew there was plants in here. Guys, I just now figured out that there was plants in here.
Look at
Isn't-
this bucket. Look what happened to it. Look, it had all these inside of it, Nana. Look at it. It had all these inside of it, and now this big bucket just spilled everywhere.
Okay, what do we call this video? Our garage is being torn down, or there's plants growing inside of our garage?
The garages are getting torn down.
I don't think that would be too good of a video name. Okay, guys.
I want to ride the 4-wheelers.
No, it's tough about
Okay, guys, let me get a thumbnail. My video's stuck. Oh, there it's not. Okay, guys. So basically, the name of this video is there's plants growing in this garage. No joke. And me and Oliver is gonna go swimming, and we'll catch you guys in the.
Yeah, so we were swimming and then we got out.
Played
And then
Minecraft.
We made Minecraft and we defeated the Ender Dragon. Now we're on to the Wither.
And got some netherite armor.
Yeah, we got netherite armor.
Netherite
and
pickaxe.
If you guys do not have the 1.16 version, like if you have a computer, delete Minecraft on your computer, log and then sign back into your account once you reinstall it, and then there you go. You got 16.
If you're on like Wii U, PS3 or something, I mean that doesn't even update it anymore. So.
Yeah.
But basically, if you're like on Pocket Edition or Bedrock Edition or something like that, me and Oliver had to basically delete it to get it. Like I'm saying, like some people got it even without deleting it, but some people didn't. So basically, if you guys didn't get it, all you have to do is delete it, sign back in.
Yep.
I like delete it, re-download it, sign back in, and you'll. I mean, basically.
That's when these expire.
What?
These expire. Okay, so 4, right? So like the 4th
Yeah.
month, and then the 24th of the 4th month, and then 21 something, 21 something.
2021.
Yeah, 2021 something.
Okay, so basically, guys, what I was trying to say.
No, it's 20 something.
Okay, so basically what I was trying to say, guys, is after you uninstall Minecraft, basically, like if you guys have Minecraft and you didn't get it, basically uninstall Minecraft, re-download it. You'll be on the 1.6 version, and to get all your stuff back, just sign back in. But once you reinstall it and log in, you'll, go into Minecraft, open the application. You will officially be on 1.6. Sign in if you want to, all that good stuff. Because honestly, Minecraft Bedrock Edition's version is not 1.14.60. If you guys are on that version, that's not the version that's on.
Yeah, it's
No more.
1.16.0.
Yeah, basically the version, kind of like Java Edition. I don't know when 1.17 is coming out. If they, we can. Second. Basically, me and Oliver, decided we were gonna explore a cornfield. We can't explore out in the not cornfield. We're exploring in the cow field. Apparently, we can't explore out in the cornfield though, because
Sprayed some chemicals.
I guess they sprayed chemicals. So unfortunately, we won't be able to go out there right now. But yeah, guys, we saw mysteries from yesterday. If you guys remember that, earlier today we saw those plants growing in the garage and everything. I don't know what happened there, but still, yeah. What? What are you doing?
We're gonna go take a ways over here.
All right, let's film it.
No.
Demonetized.
Didn't they take away demonetization?
Huh?
Didn't they take away demonetization?
I think they did. I don't know. I'm not for sure, but all I know is, I mean, somebody called the Tech It Realm made a video basically about it being, the demonetization on YouTube being, like, canceled. I'm not sure if that's true or not true or what, but don't go, guys, so don't go making videos, like inappropriate videos and then expecting not to get demonetized, because like I said, I don't know if it's true. So if you guys get demonetized from YouTube and do that, don't blame me for it, because I didn't say it was true. I'm just saying that's what somebody named the Tech It Realm said.
Let's go to this tree real quick.
We'll go check out this tree over here, and we'll be with you guys.
To the metal scraps over there and check out. All right?
We'll be with you guys in a second.
Yeah.
We are right back here.
We're not gonna touch the tree because look up there in that branch right there. There's poison ivy right there in that branch. Now we're gonna meet you guys right at the metal scraps. So yeah.
Hold on. So look at all these plants. Got some big leaves, guys. Oh gosh, guys. Last video, me and Oliver showed you those giant leaves all the way over there across the. We showed you guys the giant leaves on that tree all the way across my land.
And guys, guess what? I'm staying another night.
Yeah, basically. Okay, so yeah,
we're going to the metal scraps. We'll meet you guys when
I don't know what metal scraps he's talking about, honestly.
Remember?
No, I don't.
Remember when our first, like in our 10th paranormal activity video?
Yeah, but there was metal scraps in here.
They're not here.
No, there was like paper plates and stuff. There wasn't metal scraps.
There's metal scraps over there, and with the metal container over there.
Okay, I don't know. We're headed over there, and we'll meet you over there. Hey guys, we just now noticed that this is growing. I'm pretty sure somebody planted it. I don't know, but I don't know what metal scraps Mom's talking about. He's talking about.
I'm your mom?
No.
You're grounded. Give me your phone.
No, I meant you said something about my mom, so I was missing. What metal scraps?
She was talking about the metal scraps right there.
So in Paranormal Activity, episode 10, there's metal scraps.
We went there and we explored.
You're talking about when we found the disc and stuff.
I'll show you these. Right here. Metal scraps everywhere.
I don't remember us honestly mentioning it, no. That's not metal scraps, it's metal equipment stuff.
Can you see the metal
Like this is
scraps?
King Cutter right here.
What?
Mr. King Cutter, it says.
Look, metal scraps in the middle.
Oh, well, I don't remember us mentioning it in episode 10. Are you sure it was episode 10 though? Because I don't even...
I think it was, I don't remember.
Filming Oliver's head. Zoomed in on Oliver's head.
Yeah, check out my hair, guys.
It's not the whole purpose here, but...
Yeah. We're gonna go check out that rust bucket right there.
Rust bucket.
Right there, over there.
We're checking out a rust bucket. Okay, that was a weird sound. I just caught that.
Rust bucket.
Miami's Berg. Oh. Oh. Pop. Guys, this thing was made in Miamisburg in Hillsboro, Ohio. Pretty nice.
This is pretty far from here.
Yeah, pretty far from here.
It's
Not telling you where we live.
It's really far from here.
It's really, it's like 99. It's like, we're like as far as China from there. Kidding. That's not, we're not that far. We're not like super like Chinese away far from it.
Alright, you wanna go in here?
Is it openable? That's the question. I mean, probably if we can open it. Otherwise, no. We can't go in there.
Can we in here?
We can open it. Is it locked?
There's a door right there.
Well, let's go over there then.
There's a door right here.
Can you open that?
Yeah, look, it's unlocked. Yeah, it's unlockable.
Dude, this is like makes me like dizzy just looking at the fact it's like bent over like this. So, Oliver's stomping on the plants.
I'm scared there's a snake in there, Ron.
Well, then the next thing you know, you stomp on a snake.
Yeah, I know.
Isn't there a door in the back?
Yeah, right here. I think you can. Yeah, you can open this. You gotta get that ledge. You have to get that ledge. All right, guys, we're gonna pause the video. And we'll get back with you guys once we get this open. It's almost open.
Dude, he's opening it for real, man. He going real.
I'm going for real.
Oh man. I never thought we were actually going to open. Here, do you want me to hold this door shut so I don't fling and hit you?
Yeah. Hold it shut. Oh my gosh.
Somebody's having trouble. What?
So this is spring right here. It's all rusted.
That why you're having trouble?
Gosh, bro, it's rusted.
I don't think this trailer wants anybody to be inside of it. Is there anything inside there, guys? We can't see in there.
Dude, I'm in. Bro,
What?
I figured it out. Ain't too late.
What?
Dude, I need your help. Guys, we'll see you guys in just a second.
Okay.
Guys, I'm gonna have to climb in.
He's going to climb in. I'm not, because I'm going to film it. Crap.
I know you're gonna give me the camera, and I'm gonna break your phone.
No, you can film inside of there. You ain't break
Oh
my...
my gosh, it's working.
Oh, crap. Let me hold it shut again.
Hold it. Holy moly.
Is it opening? Oh, maybe it
Now we
didn't.
just gotta carefully lift it down.
Lift it down.
Guys, ready?
Wait, what? We just lift this down? Oh, man. Alright, I'm helping you. Oh,
Not even that heavy. It's not that heavy. Put the
Hold on.
phone down. Just put it down. Dude, it's heavy. It's fine. No, let go. Let go. Just let go. Just let go. Dude, it's fine. No, it's not. It's fine. Let go.
no, let's just put it down.
Alright, Alright, let go. Let go. Just let go.
You let go, too.
I am. Okay, we're going. We're fine. I get your phone?
Oh, sorry, guys. I might cut out part of the video because it was kind of...
Yeah, they can just cut that out. Alright, let's get in.
Yo. And you know we're going to have to shut this back up, too, right?
Yeah, I know.
Dude, guys, we never filmed a video in here.
Come on.
Hold on, I'm trying to...
Come in.
What I'm trying to do. Dude, let's not tell nobody we're in here.
No, we're not.
There's a light. Is that a light?
Yeah.
Guys, we are in the trailer.
We're not gonna tell anyone. We're just gonna be our secret spot, guys. Let's see if I can.
Hey, look at this. What you trying to do? I don't know what that is, but
Hey.
we might want to get out of here. There's probably mice under that hay and stuff.
Ooh.
There's-
Jump off. Come on, hurry. Just jump.
Alright, I got a phone in my hand. That's the risky part. Okay.
You're gonna need to help me.
Alright, guys, we're going to have to...
It's heavy. Alright, now I gotta walk it back up. Can I just record this? How am I supposed to? I got this. Here we go. Here's one. Make one, guys. We can go in here sometimes. Just stop on the
So,
hay.
guys, we actually just went inside here.
Just stop on the hay and we're good.
Should we try... Oh my gosh. There used to have it, guys. So there used to be like a red trailer. Remember that red one?
Yeah, where'd it
Well,
go?
I don't know where it is now.
You try to get in that white truck. Ain't that has? The one that has?
That's locked, man. That's locked. You can't.
Let's try.
No, we can. What, you want to break the lock pick or something? Like,
Yeah, do you have a lockpick? I mean, I can lockpick.
we're not unlocking that truck. You can't get in. We're being savages right now, but
What's in that phone?
that's just Dad's work crap in there.
Oh, it's unlocked, bro.
You could go in that alone. I'm not being the savage one here. That's you. Oh yeah, I can't record the license plate.
Oh yeah, do not go in here, but it's locked, guys.
It's locked.
See all these holes right here?
So basically, we still have the camper and everything, but we're not going in that camper because John's in there.
Yeah, I know.
You guys don't know who John John is, but he's part of, he basically lives here right now.
Yeah.
But he's,
Guys, we're gonna go camping and we're gonna show you how it is.
oh yeah, guys, we're gonna vlog our camping and stuff. And we're also gonna be camping. I mean, well, Oliver ain't gonna be there, but we're gonna be recording when we go to Florida.
When you go to Florida.
Yeah, when I go to Florida, I'm gonna be recording all 7 days. Yeah, there was a rabbit. I don't know if they sell it, but it's got a license plate.
It's unlocked. Bro, it's straight up unlocked.
Oh no,
Look, it's open. Bro, look, it's open.
dude, there's beer. Okay, guys, are we gonna be savages and open this?
Yes, we are. Ready? Go. It's what?
Dude, it's
Oh, it's locked up top. Come on.
oh. Okay, we can. Wait, is it locked right here?
It was unlocked.
It's locked, man.
Let's try over here. Wait, do you have to pull us down?
No, dude, don't end up breaking it. Can't show license plate? Well, actually, there's a license plate, but we can't show it. All right.
No way, bro.
Wait.
No way. Here, let me record you, bro.
Oh, man.
Hold it down. Hold it down. Hold this down. Just hold that down.
Guys, look.
Dude, it's locked. Hold it down. Hold it down.
I'm telling you, it's locked.
All right, guys. Well, we tried. What should we do now, bro?
Oh, being savages. Let's get in there.
In there? Yeah. She was like, oh yeah, I want to do this savage stuff.
Even though we're...
Bro. What's even in there? Is it actually?
Dude. We are in a semi-truck.
Right now, guys.
There's a crushed water bottle. Dude, I have not been in this thing for years. Literally years. Have you been in this thing before?
No.
Dude, it's
Let's
been...
go check out the back.
Wait, then there's another truck, remember? But yeah, isn't that locked already? Yeah. We know that was locked. Holy crap, guys, we are in a semi-truck right now.
I mean, I have been in there once.
Yeah, but how long ago was that?
Yeah, I don't know, like we were like 4.
Yeah, honestly, that was like such a long time ago.
Shut it?
Hey, we totally didn't open that.
No. I wonder what's back here.
Yo, hold on, let me get in this thing right here and turn it on. I'm just kidding, I'm not turning it on.
Oh my gosh, what is that?
What?
Oh, a dead bird! It's
Ugh.
round! Give me a stick. Give me a stick.
Dude, what the?
Get it out. Oh, it's round.
Legitimately a dead bird in there. That better not be a robin. It better not be a robin.
It is a robin, I think.
Well, it better not be. It better just be this plain brown bird.
Give me a stick.
You're using that?
Yeah.
Not to.
Get this robin out.
It might not be a robin, okay? Stop saying robin. Alright, let me see its red breast.
It's a teenage robin.
Show me. Oh. Is that a robin bird?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, man.
Fling it out. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, dude, if I...
Oh, I feel so bad.
Well, especially I feel bad because you know how I am about robins.
Oh yeah, for sure. It's pregnant.
Oh, it better not
Oh, it's pregnant, bro.
be. Dude,
Dude, it's pregnant.
are you telling me we have a dead bird here that was pregnant? Don't, dude, it stinks.
It's fine. Bro, I'm getting the bird out. I'm getting the baby bird out. Oh my gosh, it was pregnant. Dude, there's the egg. There's the egg. Oh my gosh, it's pregnant. It was pregnant. There's the egg.
Oh my gosh, I gave bird.
Bro, should I touch it? I gotta wash my hands right after, bro.
Dude, this is all on you.
Oh my gosh, it's so jelly.
Bro, this is an egg, full out egg.
I told you it was pregnant.
Was that its only egg?
I think it's dead, because look. Nothing really forming in there, bro. That was its only egg.
Dude, this...
There might be more.
Dude, guys, and I got that on camera. I got that.
Bro, you got that on camera?
Yeah.
I just gave birth to a baby egg. Well, we don't know if it's alive, bro.
Dude, okay, that has to be an egg.
Yeah.
But okay, but at the same time, that was not a robin then.
That was wrong.
Because no, a robin eggs are blue. Robin eggs are blue.
There's more.
Is there? No, that's its intestines.
Oh, don't show that. But hey, hold on. We need to put this somewhere. We need to put this somewhere. Like we were being savages. Now we just need to help this baby robin.
It's not a robin. Robin eggs are blue.
Well, whenever robin eggs are born, they're like this.
Dude, I don't know how long that thing's been in there, honestly.
Honestly, we should just cut the camera in a minute, and we need to talk about this. We need to.
You want to cut the camera now?
Let's do a little bit more exploring, bro. I'm so sad.
Okay.
This thing was pregnant.
Okay,
That bird was
Is this
pregnant.
the new part of the video here?
Yes. It's a.
We gave birth to a bird.
No, so I gave birth to a bird.
Okay, yes.
We were being savages. We were like, I want to get up this and I want to get in that.
Yeah, right when I was, like, literally.
You know. And I said, it was hard right there too.
Okay, we're getting a thumbnail of the egg. We're getting a thumbnail of the egg.
Yes, I don't even care, bro. Look at that.
We'll be back with you guys in a second. That has to be an egg.
I might have to bring it home, guys. And like, you know what I'm gonna do with it? There's all type of nests around my neighborhood. There's all like so many nests. I'm about to put it in a nest, put it in an incubator.
Dude, do you think the bird is alive in there still?
I think it is, cause look, there's still yolk in there, and look, there's a little white speckle right there. And it.
We'll see, Oliver. You got it.
I'm gonna have.
If you see something,
We're not gonna tell Nana.
if you notice a difference somehow, I just tell me what happens.
We're not gonna tell Nana yet. We're not gonna tell Papa yet. Okay?
Okay. Call me tomorrow.
You understand that?
Yeah.
You understand that.
Okay.
You better listen to me.
All right. Call me tomorrow when you go home. And
Bro, I need
Just-
to run inside and get my phone, cause I need to call my mom about this.
okay, just when you get home tomorrow, tell me if there's any changes. I don't know how to tell. Like, you're gonna put it in a nest. I don't know if it's actually an egg. Okay, that has to be an egg. Is it?
It is an egg. Look at it.
I mean,
It's
like,
an egg.
what kind of intestine? Like, what kind of other thing would that be?
Exactly. That's an egg.
But so it wasn't from a robin.
We don't
That-
know.
Robin eggs are blue. Period.
Gosh.
So that was not a robin. I don't know what kind of bird that was, but it is dead. It drowned, and it was pregnant during. It was pregnant during the time it died, and that is very unfortunate.
Dude, I swear, if that's another
I'm not
egg,
filming
I
it.
swear, if that's another egg right there.
All right.
This might be another egg.
Huh?
Might be another egg. No, I know it's not. More intestines. But this bird had one proud child. God, please make this child live. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my. But where do we put this right now? Where do we put this?
I don't know where to put it. Okay. That was not even expected to happen. I did not expect to notice a dead bird in there. Okay, so
Pregnant.
yeah, when it was pregnant, that's even more to add to that.
You got to step on a bee?
Dude, I don't even care at this point. There's no other dead birds or anything in here. There's no other eggs randomly in there. Eat it. That would be gross.
That would. I mean, you could crack this open and eat it, but
You can't crack it. It's a jelly. I mean, like,
you can cut it open and like put it in there and cook it.
just don't squeeze it.
Bro. Hold on, cut the camera real quick.
We looked through the egg and tried to investigate it.
It's dead.
It
It's not alive. It's dead. Should we just crack it open?
Ow! Hold on.
It's dead, guys.
I'm bleeding again, but it's fine. Okay, guys, we figure out that's dead. But why would we crack it open? That's the real question. Like, is there honestly a point? Because what if it was alive for some reason?
It's not alive. I would have known if it was alive.
You swear?
Yes, I swear. Lady, stay away.
Oh gosh. Here comes lady.
Oh shoot, here it is.
Lady!
There's the yolk. Watch out. Lady, you're stepping on it.
Guys, there's the yolk. Oh my gosh, I can't film. I'll try to show them the yolk. Move, lady. That's the yolk. It didn't survive. We'll figure it out. There's a helicopter going over us.
Bruh. That's messed up.
What?
Let's just get back. Let's just forget about this, whatever happened. Let's just forget about it, guys. Just forget about it.
First, I thought the video was going to be about the fact that
There might be more eggs in there, actually.
dude, that's just nasty. Where's the bird? Right there? Oh, I'm not filming it though. I'm filming that. But I'm gonna grieve about the unfortunateness of that. So that was not a robin, man. Dude, oh, come
Oh my
on.
gosh.
Did you have to do this?
I'm trying to see if there's
Guys,
any more eggs.
should I film this?
No, don't.
I ain't.
Because look, this might be no. There is another egg. No, don't film it. Don't film
I'm not filming it.
I swear, there's another egg.
Dude. Guys, we'll be back in a moment.
Oh my gosh, don't film it.
I'm not filming you, know that. Guys, hold on, I'm gonna cut the camera. You know, guys,
I just gave birth, but we sadly figured out it was dead.
we gave birth to a bird that was dead, and unfortunately, it was dead. The baby was dead. The actual mama was, of course, dead, as we knew from the beginning.
That's messed up, though.
Did I just end the video here, man?
No.
Or should we just try to forget about that right now?
Let's just try to figure it out.
Let's just pretend it never happened. Let's just keep doing. Let's resume to what I was doing. Okay, guys, let's do more savage.
Yes, more
Let's pretend you didn't say anything right here. Gosh, dude. Dude, this thing is hard to get up.
There's a step right here.
I know there's a step, but I stepped on the wheel. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Okay. Now, this isn't really savage. It's just like, what the heck? Huh? Ugh.
Is it Nina in the window?
Huh?
Dude, if Papa runs it over, I just want to be standing here and you be standing there.
Papa, was Papa coming out?
No. But if he,
I know you're talking about like
when he
my
knocks
dad?
it over, once he knocks it over with this, I'm gonna be like, holding on tight.
dude. Remember that's the bucket that was on there. Remember it was shaking from a long time ago.
All right, bro, let's get down. Let's do some more savage things.
What else can we do? Open Papa Lark's truck. Okay, no.
No.
I'm trying to get my mind off of it, but there ain't no.
Just try.
Okay, Oliver, can you hold my phone for me? Because I don't want to like fall and break my phone crap.
I don't want you to get demonetized, bro.
Well, we didn't show the intestines.
Yeah, we
We
didn't.
showed the egg.
Yeah.
No.
All right, let's just stop talking about it.
Get off this. Wait. I'm gonna try to get off right here.
Okay.
I don't want to fall.
You're fine. Just jump right there. It's not that high, bro.
I know. I just didn't want to fall as I was stepping on there.
Rocky.
Okay, now what else to do?
What else? Let's try to open this.
Dude, we can't open it. Face it. It's locked. And more birds.
Don't look at birds, okay? You understand?
It's not my fault, but birds fly across my face sometimes. Dude, that poor bird. Okay, for real. Guys, you can't open. Oh my gosh. Can you just not break that and just forget about it? Dude, like that door knob is old and getting ready to break, so don't try to actually break it.
Remember Oreo?
Yo, look at this chair,
on
man.
it.
This chair
What
is
was it,
lit.
man?
Dude, this chair is lit.
But what was his name again? That was buried like right here.
Goldie.
Goldie, yeah.
Guys, we got, I don't know.
If you remember us from the OG days, you guys are OGs of us.
I don't think, I think Goldie was already dead when I started this channel, honestly. I don't know.
No, he wasn't.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, guys, we had a dog named Goldie. I don't know. But, like, basically, Goldie's died from cancer. Yeah. Cancer. Basically. Also, I forget what happened, but the neck, I don't know if it was broken or what, but I can't remember. But Goldie did die from cancer. What was a pretty big dog. It was a golden retriever. Golden retriever named Goldie. Had cancer. Pretty big dog.
You want me to decide what you want that?
Well, it's kind of lazy sometimes. Dude, that was locked, remember? I told you that, remember? Oh, American Robin. Okay, so guys, basically,
I think we should just end the video right here, guys. I think we should.
I don't know what to say. I mean,
Let's just end it, bro. End it. Just end it.
let me just, no, we're not ending it quite yet.
Oh, if you guys are trilogies, you have to remember this area right here. That tree right there.
Guys, this tree we used to climb.
Yeah.
I mean, we can literally,
Right here,
dude,
go.
tomorrow you want to try to climb this though?
Yeah.
Tomorrow we'll ask Mom about climbing it.
Trilogies, you should know what was here.
A dead bat. Remember the dead bat skeleton we found?
Yeah, why'd you tell them, bro? Let's try to see if we can dig it up.
Guys, a long time ago, once again, if you guys are true OGs for some reason, and if you guys watch my channel a long time, and you guys remember us seeing that bat skeleton right here? Yeah. Dude, is that it?
I think it is.
No, I see actual bone right here. Dude. Is that it?
No.
That's a rock. I think it got...
It's right here. See? There's a bone of it. There's one bone. Part of the leg.
Okay, so... Oh, it's a birdie bird. It's an American robin.
Stop talking about birds, please.
I love robins.
Please stop talking about birds.
Robin birdies.
Stop talking about birds, please.
Robins.
Please stop.
Dude, I'm allowed to talk about robins.
But not birds. Just don't talk about birds.
Robins are birds.
Say it in your head.
My head be like, American robins.
That's just sad, don't you think?
Yeah, it was sad, Oliver, but it's not something I want to forget about, honestly.
Ow, this thing's stuck in my blood.
Just face it, Oliver. We ain't forgetting about that.
I need my blood back.
What do you mean? What?
Mosquitoes stuck in my blood. I think we should just play Minecraft. And then
Okay, I'm probably not going to play Minecraft right now, but I'm sure probably about to end this vlog.
Dude, I found a big bone. It's part of the skull.
Okay, guys, well, basically, we're going to end the video, and as you guys can see, with the American robin. I love robins, honestly. And then we saw a dead bird. I know, dude.
He's in the stream at the big leaf tree.
A stream?
Whatever it's
What the
called.
heck? It's a video. Alright, well,
Wash your hands for 20 seconds, even though you really don't have to because the coronavirus.
wash your hands in 30 seconds, please.
Wash your hands. There you go.
Remember that? The giggle? You know, Oliver, we're just going to tell Mom about it.
Yeah.
We didn't keep the egg. It was not alive. It doesn't matter. But I'm going to have to watch the camera probably. Like, not the camera, but you know, the thingy, the light thing.
Boy, I broke my finger.
Dude, he said he claims he broke his finger.
Look, it's like turning purple and it's kind of bent that way.
Yeah, but then he said pop it back in place. So basically I did, I guess. So yeah. Big leaf tree. Now if this thing gets cut down, I swear that's gonna be sad. Because literally, this is a really nice tree. Honestly, I cannot forget about this tree. This huge leaf tree.
And if you move, hey, I tried to grab it, but whatever.
Oh, it's okay. Guys, this is the size of these ginormous leaves, man. Look at Oliver's. Okay, well, apparently, guys, that's the end of this vlog. Stay tuned for more. We're uploading every 5 days, as you guys have been noticing the schedule. So yeah. So we're making this video 5 days before we're posting it. Like, this is literally like, so when you guys see this video, this moment happened 5 days before it was posted. So you guys will be like, oh, when you're watching, you'll be like, so this happened 5 days ago. Yeah, basically. So yeah, basically, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. You guys are bird lovers, and this disturbed you.
If this disturbed you, I'm sorry.
I might put a disclaimer at the beginning of the video.
Yes, do it.
Because I'm a bird lover, honestly, but you guys can be like such bird lovers so much that it's just crazy. It might you guys, some viewers might find this disturbing.
I'm sorry, guys.
Just be aware of that. If you guys watched the video and you probably saw a disclaimer, I'm not for sure if I'm putting a disclaimer. I might not. I might forget and everything. Yeah.
Carissa!
Let's go up here. Go up to her.
I gave birth to a baby bird. Because the mom bird was drowned. There's an egg in it. I got it out. And then...
Apparently the baby was dead.
But the baby was actually dead, so we had to kill it.
Well, no, it was already dead.
Yeah,
We just...
We had to kill the thing. Whatever surrounds the baby bird.
The yolks. Hey, that's some good intro, outro music. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give a like and subscribe, and we'll be back with more. One more moment with the American robin. Dude, let me film this. Oh, it's a robin bird. I swear, if that was what drowned in there one day, it'd be crazy. But bye, guys.